Hello guys, good morning. This is Maggie Raj here, and today we are going to get discuss about the second lecture of electric potential and capacitance. And now the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when partially filled a dielectric material. Okay, so this is the capacitance for parallel plate capacitor when partially filled dielectric material. Okay, partially filled here. So let this is a parallel plate capacitor AB. Okay, in which some charge is given to plate A plus Q. So due to the induction, here develops equal and opposite charge inside the plate B and outside it same but opposite, but outer surface earth connected. Let me consider the gap between the plate is small d, and here this material plate whose dielectric constant is K placed between the plate of capacitor and its thickness is T. Okay, so in this way we can say that distance in air, that is d1 equals to d minus t. कंप्लीट लेंथ d है, मीडियम में t है, तो एयर में कितनी बचेगी d माइनस टी. एंड डिस्टेंस इन मीडियम, that is d2 is equals to small t. Thus we can say that electric field in air E1 equals to sigma by epsilon naught, means Q upon epsilon naught A. Sigma is Q by A, and electric field in medium, let me consider this is E2 and this is equals to sigma by epsilon naught K. So it is equals to Q by A epsilon naught K. Okay, so due to this potential V1 means in air is equals to E1 into D1, and V2 means in medium is equals to E2 into D2, and we know that electric potential is a scalar quantity, therefore V result is equals to V1 plus V2. So putting here all this value, V equals to E1 into D1 plus E2 into D2. So V equals to Q by epsilon naught A D minus T plus Q upon epsilon naught A K T. Okay, here putting all these value of V1 and V2 in this way, V equals to Q by epsilon naught A common, this is equals to D minus T plus T by K. Okay, so it can be written as K D minus T plus T over K is equals to V, and Q by V, that is equals to C, is equals to epsilon naught A K by K D minus T plus T. This will be capacitance. Okay, again let a parallel plate capacitor whose plates are A and B, its plate area is capital A and distance between the plate is small d. Let me consider a material plate whose dielectric constant is K and thickness is small t inserted between the plates of capacitor. So distance in air, that means d1 is equals to d minus t. Okay, and in medium is T. So in this way, electric field in air is sigma by epsilon naught means Q by epsilon naught A, and in medium is sigma by epsilon naught K. So in this way we can calculate the potential in air, that means V1 and V2, that is equals to E1 into D1 and E2 into D2, because E equals to V by D. In this relation we will solve the V1 and V2, and we know that potential is a scalar quantity. Due to this, V equals to V1 plus V2, and putting all these value of V1 and V2, so finally we get this C equals to epsilon naught A K by K D minus T plus T. अब यहाँ पर ये देखते हैं, अभी तो एक प्लेट रखी हुई है. If there are inserted several plates with the different thickness, so we will solve. This value is C equals to epsilon naught A K upon K D minus T plus T, and we can write it A upon D minus T plus T by K in this way. K नीचे से कॉमन ले लिया और ऊपर से कैंसिल कर दिया, ये आ जाएगा. सो अब यहाँ पर अगर हम थोड़ी देर के लिए ये मानते हैं कि इसकी थिकनेस अगर इफ T is T1 and K is K1, देन C की वैल्यू आ जाएगी एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D माइनस T1 प्लस T1 बाई K1. ओके, ये है T1 K1. अब हम ऐसा करते हैं, एक और अगर यहाँ पर अनदर प्लेट इंसर्ट कर दिया, इसकी थिकनेस T2 है एंड डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब K2 है, देन नाउ इफ न्यू मटेरियल प्लेट इंसर्टेड, देन अब इसकी रिजल्टेंट कैपेसिटेंस क्या हो जाएगी, इसके अकॉर्डिंग C इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन, देखिएगा D माइनस T1 प्लस T2, ओके, प्लस T1 अपॉन K1 प्लस T2 बाई K2, इतना और बढ़ गया. इन दिस वे अगर इस तरीके से पूरे मटेरियल के में इसमें मटेरियल प्लेट्स इंसर्ट कर दी जाए, जैसे यहाँ पर आ गई मान लीजिए ये T1 K1 की, ये आ गई T2 थिकनेस की K2 मटेरियल, T3 की K3 की, एंड सो ऑन, एंड इस तरीके से हमने क्या कर दिया, लास्ट Kn मटेरियल एंड Tn रख दिया. सो इफ nth material plates inserted, अगर इसकी एंड टू एंड प्लेट तक कितनी मटेरियल प्लेट आ सकती है, इसमें 1 2 3 4 एंड n तक आ सकती है, तो C क्या हो जाएगा, एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D माइनस T1 प्लस T2 प्लस डॉट डॉट Tn प्लस T1 बाई K1 प्लस T2 बाई K2 प्लस डॉट डॉट Tn अपॉन Kn, इस तरीके से आ जाएगा. सो देखिएगा, अब C इक्वल टू एंड टू एंड तक पूरा आ गया, मतलब अब क्या था, अभी तक तो पार्शियली था, यानी कहीं गैप था इसमें, लेकिन अब एंड टू एंड पूरा ले आए, तो अब ये कंप्लीटली फुल्ली फिल्ड हो गया. और देखिएगा C इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन ये है. सो यहाँ पर T1 प्लस T2 प्लस डॉट डॉट Tn क्या हो जाएगा, कंप्लीट D हो जाएगा. और ऐसा मान लें इफ K1 इक्वल टू K2 इक्वल टू Kn इक्वल टू सब K हैं, तो ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी D माइनस D, ये कंप्लीटली D हो गया, प्लस T1 प्लस T2 प्लस डॉट डॉट Tn अपॉन सब में K हो जाएगा, तो KLCM हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल. C इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन ये वैल्यू है D अपॉन K, तो एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D K. देखिएगा ये कैपेसिटेंस वही आ गई जब हमने कैलकुलेट किया था कैपेसिटेंस और पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर एंड फुल्ली फिल्ड डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब. तो अब क्या हो गया, यहाँ पर completely fully filled हो गया. Okay, तो in this case that capacitance is converted into the fully filled capacitance. Okay, तो उसी में आ गए. तो in this way we will solve the capacitance for different cases. Okay, now we are going to solve energy stored between the plates of capacitor. Energy stored between plates of capacitor. Okay, so this is a capacitor whose plates are A and B. Here this given charge is Q. So due to the induction, here develop negative and this is positive, and outer is earth connected due to this. Here remaining only negative and equal magnitude charge. Okay, so we know that Q equals to CV and it is in the form of y equals to kx. K is constant. So according to this, its graph will be in this way, straight line curve, yx curve. So this is QV curve and its graph will be this. So we know that the area bounded of QV curve is work done. Area of QV curve is work done, and this work is stored in the form of energy. किसके फॉर्म में स्टोर रहेगा? एनर्जी के फॉर्म में. सो तो देखिएगा इसका बाउंडेड एरिया क्या है, ये है OAB, ऐसे मान लीजिए PQ. ओके, सो इसका एरिया क्या आ जाएगा, देखिए इसको PQ ना मान के M और N मान लीजिए, क्योंकि Q यहाँ पर चार्ज के फॉर्म में यूज होता है. सो कंफ्यूजन न हो इस वजह से. तो देखिएगा यहाँ पर B है और यहाँ पर Q है. सो एरिया इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 1/2 बेस इंटू एल्टीट्यूड. ये होगा वर्क डन, और वर्क डन ही क्या होगा, एनर्जी होगा. सो दिस एनर्जी इक्वल टू QV/2. ओके, and if we put this Q equal to CV, then this energy will be 1/2 CV square, and if we put V equals to Q by C, then this will be equal to 1/2 Q square by C. Okay, this is energy stored between the plates of capacitor, that is magnitude of Q square by 2C. Okay, so according to this we know that Q equals to CV and Y equals to KX फॉर्म का है ये. so straight line curve होगा. so according to this QV curve is this. okay, and we know that area bounded the QV curve will be equal to the work done, and this work done is stored in the form of energy and capacitor energy. so this is area of right angle triangle 1/2 base into height. so this is equal to QV/2, and we know that Q equals to CV. so whenever we will put this Q equals to CV, then energy equals to half CV square, and if we put V equals to Q by C, then this energy will be Q square by 2C. okay, so we can say that the energy stored between the plates of the capacitor is equal to magnitude of Q square by 2C. okay, and if you want to solve the energy stored between the plates of capacitor or energy of capacitor in per unit volumes, so energy in per unit volume. okay, so we know that U equals to 1/2 CV square, and where C equals to epsilon naught A upon D for air medium, and V equals to E into D Okay, so putting all these value in first equation, by equation first, so u equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught a by d into v square means e square d square. So they'll cancel out. So it is equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught a into b into e square, and we know that a into d is equals to volume. So u equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught e square into volume, and energy in per unit volume at per unit volume means volume equals to 1. So u equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught e square. So this is energy stored between the plates of capacitor in per unit volume, that is equals to 1 by 2 epsilon naught e square. Okay, so in this way we can solve the energy between the plate and energy stored between the plate in per unit volume. Okay.